everyone doing this morning? I'm at the Rocky River Marina, and it's froze solid. But I have an idea that might just work. It's 51 degrees here in Cleveland, and there's like a half inch of ice on the river. We're here. I'll show you. So the ramp is over there. It's all frozen. Not too bad though, but there's open water there, and hopefully down to the mouth. There's a Slick Willie. Check out his jigs.
Slick Willie jigs.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna launch from here and hopefully head down there, break up some ice. But this is the river conditions. It's nice and warm. Steelhead should be biting. They're not yet. They're just waiting for me to get in the water. So I'm gonna jump off here and get my kayak in, and hopefully I'll have some fish pictures for you guys later. Hey, if you're able to get out, it's only getting warmer. And if you're gonna take your kayak out, don't go alone. Make sure you have your dry suit and your safety gear. And basically what you wanna do is just slowly push through the ice. Okay. I mean, some of this ice is 2 inches thick. You're not gonna break through that with your kayak. There's ice sheets upriver that could potentially blow downstream with the wind, or if the water flow increases, or if it just breaks free. So you want to be aware of that as well. You could launch and head down river and then end up finding yourself stuck as you try to get back up river because of the big ice sheets that blew down. And like I said, if it's thin, you might be able to break through it. If it's thick, you're probably gonna roll your kayak if you hit it fast enough. And that's not fun in cold water, especially if you don't have the right gear. So always be aware and prepared for the conditions. Because I mean, some of these sheets, like that is just one big sheet. And it's about a half inch thick. Probably more in some spots. You know, the thickness on this ice is pretty inconsistent. Like there's big pieces, and then there's stuff that's a little thinner. But you never know, so you don't want to just plow into it expecting to bust through it, because before you know it, your kayak will roll over and you'll be swimming. So you can see what I'm pushing through. I mean, some of these pieces are very big. If you get your kayak over top of it, running in too fast, even some of these will flip you over. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to share it with somebody that needs to see this. That way we can all be safer on the water. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you on the next one.